In front of me is iPad Pro 11, and let me show you how to activate keyboard clicks in this device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then locate sounds right here, and go to keyboard clicks. Smoothly mark it, and from now on, let me open the keyboard somewhere, for example, here. Okay, it's not that easy, maybe here. And as you can hear, now it is active. You can hear each of my click. And this is it. That will be all. This is how you can activate it. Obviously, if you'd like to turn it off, just go to sounds again and unmark this switcher. Now it is muted. As you can hear, nothing is connected with those clicks. And that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.